Learn English to Gujarati travel words. Travel to.
ઉમલેટું માર્ગ.
Welcome to the chaotic trip. Hey, you are about to learn Gujarati travel words through a small comedy of errors. Good news. The trip is imaginary, so the stress is fake and the vocabulary is real. It began with a dream of perfect.
મુસાફરી.
I told myself, this will be elegant, smooth, sophisticated. 5 minutes later, I was wearing one sandal, carrying a banana instead of my passport, and announcing that my
રજા.
had officially begun. At least the mood was good. Travel, or
મુસાફરી.
means moving, exploring, going somewhere. Vacation, or
રજા.
is the glorious time when your brain says, I refuse to answer emails. A place to sleep, hopefully. Now let us keep you from sleeping on a suitcase in a parking lot. You need a few life-saving words. The first big need on a trip is accommodation.
રહેઠાણ.
If you need a place to stay, you need.
રહેઠાણ.
Example, we need.
રહેઠાણ.
For 2 nights. Very useful if you prefer a bed over a dramatic relationship with the airport floor. Then comes booking.
બુકિંગ.
This is the booking you make online, on the phone, or while whispering, please let there be one room left. Example, my
બુકિંગ.
is confirmed. A sentence that brings instant peace, like tea for the soul. A close cousin is reservation.
આરક્ષણ.
A hotel room, a train seat, a dinner table, if it is saved for you, that is.
આરક્ષણ.
Example, I have a.
આરક્ષણ.
Single quote. Say it with confidence, even if inside you are 90% panic and 10% snacks. Reception desk drama. Time for a tiny dialogue. Read it, hear it, and imagine a receptionist who has seen absolutely everything. Traveler. Hello, I am here for my.
બુકિંગ.
Receptionist. Wonderful. Do you also have a.
આરક્ષણ.
Number? Traveler. I did. Then I put the paper in a very safe place. So safe that even I cannot find it. Receptionist. Impressive. Olympic level organizing. Do you need.
રહેઠાણ.
For 1 night or 2? Traveler. 2 nights, please. This.
મુસાફરી.
Has already taught me humility. Receptionist. Are you here for work? Traveler. No, this is my.
રજા.
I came to relax, and so far I have relaxed exactly 0 times. When everything goes wrong. Excellent. Now let us learn the words nobody wants, but everybody eventually needs. Welcome to advanced survival. Sometimes a trip changes shape. Suddenly there is a cancellation.
રદ કરવું.
If a flight, room, train, or event does not happen, that is.
રદ કરવું.
A delay is.
વિલંબ.
This means you are not moving yet, but you are still expected to remain cheerful somehow. And if the main road is closed, you may need a detour.
ઉમલેટું માર્ગ.
It is not the direct route, but it still gets you there. Usually, probably, hopefully, the very unlucky bus ride. Let us put those trouble words into a story. Do not worry, you are only listening, not actually trapped on this bus. Our bus driver smiled too much. That should have warned us. He said, tiny problem. In travel language, tiny problem usually means please prepare emotionally. First, there was a
વિલંબ.
We waited. Then we waited more professionally. Then we began a deep spiritual friendship with the bus station snacks. Next came shocking news. Part of the route had.
રદ કરવું.
So the driver announced an.
ઉમલેટું માર્ગ.
We all nodded as if we understood the map. We did not. But somehow the wild.
મુસાફરી.
Continued, and by the end of the day we said, well, this is definitely a memorable.
રજા.
Single quote. Quick recall challenge. Your turn. I say the English word, and you try to say the Gujarati word before I do. Travel.
મુસાફરી.
Vacation.
રજા,
accommodation,
રહેઠાણ,
booking,
બુકિંગ,
reservation,
આરક્ષણ,
cancellation,
રદ કરવું,
delay,
વિલંબ,
detour,
ઉમલેટું માર્ગ,
mini mission for real life. Here is your simple challenge. Use the words out loud, even if your cat becomes your only audience. Say, my
બુકિંગ,
is confirmed. Say, I need.
રહેઠાણ,
Single quote. Say, there is a.
વિલંબ,
Single quote. Say, we need an.
ઉમલેટું માર્ગ,
Single quote. Say, I have a.
આરક્ષણ,
Single quote. Say, oh no.
રદ કરવું,
Single quote. Dramatic face optional but encouraged. Thanks and keep practicing. Nice work. You just survived a small travel disaster and learned useful Gujarati along the way. Thank you for listening and practicing. Keep repeating.
મુસાફરી, રજા, રહેઠાણ, બુકિંગ, આરક્ષણ, રદ કરવું, વિલંબ,
And
ઉમલેટું માર્ગ,
until they feel natural. Practice a little every day, laugh at mistakes, and remember, even a detour can still take you somewhere good.